Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how you resize an image in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can get started creating your composition. So enter in your composition name, settings, and so on, use the quality that you want, and after that click OK and get started with your composition right here. Now we can get started with our project. So let's say you have created a new project or open up a project where there is a picture that you want to resize. This is how we're going to do that. So what you want to do is go ahead and select the picture from your video right here, find the picture that you want to use, and after clicking on it, we can go ahead and find right here on the right side of the screen the effects and presets option. So we want to use the effects from this area right here, so let's go ahead and click on it, and in the search bar that's going to appear under your effects, you want to search for scale. So as you can see, after searching for scale, we can now find this area right here, which is the scale effect. So basically what we're going to do is use the large scale or scale down option to go ahead and scale down how big our image is, or we can go ahead and use the large scale and scale up to go ahead and increase the size of the picture. So go ahead and use the scale options right here and play around with it, and after playing around with it guys, you'll be able to resize your image, and after clicking on your image, the option to resize is going to appear automatically at the right side of the screen, so you can use that as well to change the height and width. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.